In other news, the government jobs report released today, and it did not pan out as economists predicted. Julia Ainsley reports on the slowdown in wages, the losses in the labor market, and Trump's response as midterms draw closer.
A disappointing and surprising jobs report today. The economy lost 23,000 jobs last month, far off from the 83,000 jobs economists projected to add.
It's almost like a job market on life support right now.
Another troubling sign, stagnant wage growth, not keeping up with inflation. And that means consumers' buying power is weaker. Heather Long, chief economist for Navy Federal Credit Union, says families will feel the pinch.
This is a real financial squeeze, and I'd point out 3.2% wage growth is the lowest in 5 years. So the wage growth is moving down. At the same time, inflation is heating back up again.
The unemployment rate slipped to a 4.1%, which is low, but experts say that's due to people leaving the job market, including immigrants that lost protective status and retirees. The White House's National Economic Council director says the report has some positive aspects, too.
The momentum in the economy continues to be strong. We see durable goods orders, capital spending through the roof.
And people are spending more on groceries, gas, and the cost of cooling and heating homes. And that's directly related to the war in Iran.
Energy prices are a little bit inflated, but we could say that way less than people expected. But we're mindful of the fact that gasoline prices are high, and we're making many steps to help reduce the stress of that for people.
The midterm elections are less than 3 months away, and polls show the economy and affordability are the most important issues. President Trump has been traveling to tout his economic policies and throw support behind Republican candidates. And he plans to use the money from his super PAC for the November elections.
I could spend it on pretty much anything I want. I'm going to help Republicans.
But if Republicans lose the House or Senate, the president says he's not worried.
It's a great blocking power, so they won't be able to do anything.
Julia Ainsley, NBC News, Washington.